Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be trying out dip powders from Ritzy Dips. We're going to be using 3 colors, and then we're also going to be using the dip liquids. So the first color here is called Kitten's Nose. Now this name couldn't be more perfect for this color. This color right here, it is the perfect light pink color. It is beautiful, and Kitten's Nose is definitely the perfect name. The next one here, it's called Meteorite. Now all the dip powders have that protective seal on there, which is really nice. Now Meteorite is a beautiful like slate gray chunky fine glitter mix. It's gray and silver, and it's really pretty. Check it out there. I really like the consistency or the ratio of the chunky and the fine glitter in that. And the next color that we're going to dip into is called From the Ashes. Now this one is a really pretty dark gray. It's that ashy dark gray color, and it's really pretty, and I really like how it pulls a little bit darker in the daylight, and then indoors it's a little bit more of a lighter gray. It's super pretty, and here are all 3 colors together. I definitely think these are some perfect staple colors for anyone's collection, and I'm really excited to create a mani today using these 3 colors. And we are going to be doing the mani on my hand today. We are not going to be doing press-ons. And right now we are going into that dip base, and you can see there that there's a stopper in that bottle, which is awesome. And I can't get over the packaging of the liquids with Ritzy Dips. That matte black bottle with the gold writing and then the gold cap is really awesome, and I'm a sucker for anything black matte, and these bottles are so gorgeous. All right, so that is the first dip. Right now we are dipping into Kitten's Nose, and you can see here it's just a really pretty soft pink, and it's just applies really beautiful. And when I brush it off here, it even looks pretty with one coat. It's not patchy or streaky at all, and that's pretty awesome because a lot of times those pastel or very light colors can apply really streaky, especially with the first or 2 dips of dip powder. But I did not experience any of that with Kitten's Nose, which is definitely a plus. All right, so let's dive into this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how pretty is this mani? I really like how it turned out. I think it's super pretty, and yet it has that pop of sparkle in there. Kitten's nose is definitely the perfect light pink, and from the ashes is a really pretty dark gray color, and I had no staining with that color, and it applied beautifully. And then Meteorite, that chunky fine glitter mix, laid so flat to the nail. It was by far one of the easiest chunky glitters that I have worked with. The liquids were phenomenal. They applied really thin. I would definitely say they are a little bit on the faster drying side, but I still was able to dip into the powders, clean up the cuticle line, and brush off, and I did not have any problems with the dry time or anything like that. And if these colors weren't your cup of tea, Ritzy Dips has tons of other beautiful shimmers, glitters, and solid colors that you'll definitely find something that will catch your eye. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in the description box below. Let me know what your favorite Ritzy Dips colors are so I can check them out. Definitely consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.